1, 2, and 3. How will you make the world more beautiful? Hello and hi everyone. Namaste and welcome back to our channel. My name is Smriti and I hope you are doing great and staying safe. So today's video is specially for all the lovely, beautiful and strong children. So let's get started. Now, what's the topic? Can you guess? So today I am going to ask you, how will you make the world more beautiful? Number 1, you need to love yourself. It's not just loving your outer self, I mean your physical appearance, but loving your inner self as well. So you can start doing that by loving and enjoying the natural beauty of the world. The more you enjoy nature, the more you want to look after it. It's just like loving your family. And believe me, children, you will learn the beauty of love. Number 2, helping others in need. A kind word, a listening ear, a helpful hand, appreciation, or just saying thank you can put a smile and warm feeling in someone else's heart and make their day a little better. So there are lots of ways to help others, and helping others not just makes you a better person but will make you a happy human being. Number 3, helping the environment. So do you know all the goods and services that used by you and me come directly or indirectly from the earth and its environment? Yes, like for example, notebook, eraser, sharpener, etc., etc. So it's our responsibility to protect our environment. So don't wait until Environmental Day to think and care about the environment, but do it every day. From taking the time to turn off lights, planting a tree, using public transport, recycling, conserving water, etc. It is the only way to give to the future generations. Yes. Number 4, education. So do you know, children, education is the foundation to become a better person and for a better future. Just like we build a strong foundation of our homes to last the longest, in the same way education helps children for building a strong learning foundation. So education shows us the importance of hard work, teaches us the difference between right and wrong, gives us confidence, and can also make all our dreams come true. So always remember, education is the key to turn weakness into a strength and help us to keep our world alive and flourishing. Number 5, nutrition and lifestyle. So staying healthy is a key part of growing up. So yes, proper nutrition strengthens immunity, promotes lifelong healthy eating habits, encourages physical growth, enhances brain development. So if we are eating healthy and nutritious food, our body will be strong and we can work more to achieve our desired goals. It is very important to be active to meet daily or weekly physical activity goals, like doing regular exercises, playing outdoor sports, engaging in the things which we are passionate about, and staying positive. In this way, A proper nutritional diet and healthy lifestyle can affect young children throughout the rest of their lives. Number 6. Kindness. So do you know, children, kindness is very important. We should always be kind to everyone. And have you heard about the story of the lion and the mouse? Let me tell you. The Lion and the Mouse. Once upon a time, there lived a lion and a mouse. One day, the lion was sleeping. The mouse started playing on it. The lion woke up. He caught up the mouse and was going to kill. The mouse requested for forgiveness. The lion let him go. After some days, the lion caught in a net. The mouse cut the net with his teeth. The lion was free. He thanked the mouse. So children, you can see how a little mouse helped the lion. So the moral of the story is, a kindness is never wasted. Kindness towards nature, animals, plants, people can transform the world and make it a happier place to live in. So always try to become a good role model and show your kindness to others, which will help you to be a happy and loving person. Number 7. Being thankful. So we should be always thankful to one another. So being thankful can help people feel more positive and feel good. So yes, we make other people feel good when we show them we appreciate the things they do for us. Yes, it's true. People who are thankful are more positive, more confident, and vibrant. Now, let me ask you some questions, and I hope you will enjoy giving the answers. Think and answer. How can we keep our earth green? Next question. Why do you think kindness is important? Think and answer. So I hope आपको आज का ये वीडियो पसंद आया है. अगर पसंद आया है then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more new videos. And yes, please do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications for your upcoming videos. So तब तक के लिए खुश रहिए, स्वस्थ रहिए और सेहतमंद रहिए. Be happy, be healthy and take care of yourself. Until then, with lots of love, see you in my next video. Bye bye.